If the trim history option in time in status for Jira Cloud sounds curiously and a little obscure, let's discover its functionality, so you can make the most of it. First of all, you need to choose the report you need and filter by the necessary criteria. And now the most interesting information. Choose the date ranges. There are two options, issue range and time range. Issue range shows the scope of created/updated/resolved issues during the chosen period and displays the time spent. Time range option trims the time you get in the issue range. For example, you need to get issues that have been created last month, but the reporting time should be only for this week. A task could be created anytime, but you need the time only for the current week. Here's how these calendars work. Note: if you won't choose dates in the time range calendar, the Any Dates option will be set by default. Also, the time is calculated according to the business days and business hours that you have set before. You may have teams that work from different time zones or have different schedules. For example, a marketing team starts a workday at 9 a.m. and ends at 6 p.m., when a support team works from 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. So you need to configure a few calendars with different time zones or schedules to get the correct information in the report. If all these criteria. Thanks for watching.